Fabian Sinelli here from EYS Auctions, bringing you our January 2025 market wrap. Can you believe it? Already in 2025, it came around so quickly, and the stats that we're going to report to you in the first month of the year are sensational. It's been a really good start to the year. 56 auctions conducted as a business, 87% clearance rate across the board, which was incredible. Phenomenal clearance rate. It's showing that there's a lot of confidence coming into the marketplace, which is great. I don't remember seeing a clearance rate that strong, so it's really great to see, and hopefully that's a sign of things to come. We averaged 3.6 bidders per auction conducted, which is still really healthy, and a whopping 6.9% above our owner's written reserve prices. So all in all, incredibly strong stats there for not just EYS, but I guess that's probably indicative of what we are to see come forward in the marketplace over the coming months. And hopefully we're going to see a really strong market this year. There seems to be a lot of excitement in the air. I mean, it's pretty inevitable that stock is starting to come through. Stock levels are looking really healthy and much stronger than where they were this time last year. I'm seeing it, our clients are seeing it, so that's really positive. And I think that's probably due to the imminent interest rate cuts that we are going to experience. 3 out of the 4 major banks have predicted interest rate cuts, hopefully within the next 1 to 2 months. So that is filtering through to the marketplace, which in return is giving buyers more confidence to go along to auctions and to bid for properties. And subsequently, that's making vendors think, well, I might as well sell now because I've got buyers to play with. And in return, that can actually escalate property prices. So it's hopefully going to be a very confident marketplace in 2025, well, at least in the short term with what we're experiencing. All I will say as a hot tip, probably not so much of an agent tip just yet. It's still early in the year. We still have to figure out what we need to do differently to get our agents a strategy to stay ahead of the game. Midweeks are working really well. As we know, it's still daylight savings, so keep doing that, because clearance rates for midweeks are always strong, because you're isolating yourself away from traditional Saturday time slots and not allowing your buyers to have the choice between that auction and that auction. If they're isolated midweek, more than likely they can focus purely on that auction, and that's hopefully going to ramp up bidder confidence and more bidders, which hopefully means more competition and a higher price. But the hot tip is this, a little bit sidetracked there. The hot tip is to make sure you book in early. We're seeing an incredible amount of auction inquiry at the moment, and the last thing we want is to not be able to facilitate our clients, you guys, with an auctioneer of your choice. So just make sure, general rule of thumb, 4 to 6 weeks in advance. If you get a sniff on a listing and you think you need an auctioneer but you haven't got the listing, don't worry, call us, email us, text the auctioneer. Just ask them to put aside a spot for you. That way at least you've got it secured for a period of time before you do get the listing. But 4 to 6 weeks, we're currently seeing that's the going trend at the moment to get in with your favorite auctioneer at EYS. If you want to book the best in the business, make sure you give us a call here at EYS Auctions, and we'll see you in February.